Mom, look at this.
What am I looking at?
So this is the Jinjiang Hotel in Shanghai. And this is Huating Hotel. Both aren't that impressive, but this is a high-end hotel in America called Hilton. My plan is to set up a high-end hotel like this in Donghai. I found someone who can help me with the registration. I think I got lucky because this friend just got back from the US. Her name is Liang Sishen. She is driven, beautiful, and intelligent. She's willing to partner with me to set up this hotel. So, Mom, I assure you, this will be successful and profitable.
I have no doubt. I have faith in you.
Good. Once the hotel is constructed, we'll allot rooms for you. 2 really huge ones. It'll be like, what's that called again? The presidential suite on Hilton's top floor. We'll furnish it in the same way, like a palace with high ceilings and a thick carpet to muffle footsteps. That suite will be solely for your use then, Mom.
If it will be furnished like a palace, I can't get used to it.
What are you talking about? Mom, I promised you that I'll give you a good life and let you experience city living. So we'll buy a house in Donghai, plus the hotel. You can alternate between the house and the hotel. You can stay wherever you want, Mom.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, I talk too much. You must be thirsty. Let me get you water.
Sure.
Yang Shuo, I need to talk to you about the design fee. Auntie, how have you been?
Dashun, I haven't seen you in a while.
I know.
What is it?
Come here.
Mom, drink up.
Okay, thank you.
I'll be right back.
Yes.
It's hot. Be careful.
Don't worry.
You have to find time to go to the design firm and settle Meng's design fee. He's not asking for too much.
No, just ignore them. Who cares if they're unhappy? Xiaoran has sent his warm regards to Meng's boss, so please don't be so jumpy about it.
Xiaoran's not the issue. We can't bully people unlike that
The
rich
design
guy.
firm's top boss wants to flatter Xiaoran. He volunteered to work on phases 2 and 3. He'll think twice before provoking us. Just relax, okay?
Hey, Dashun.
Auntie.
Dashun. My son can be stubborn and impatient at times. If he says or does anything wrong, please bear with him. He'll make up for it.
Oh, don't worry, Auntie. We just sound like we're quarreling, but we really aren't. That's how we talk.
My Yang Shun is young. He needs guidance. I hope you can treat him like a younger brother. If he does something bad, you may hit him or even scold him.
Heard that, Yang Shen? Auntie said I can hit you.
Mom, please don't give him any ideas. He'll take everything you said to heart and would really hit me.
Auntie, I need to work now, but I'll join you for lunch.
It's okay. I'll be going home in a while.
We rarely see you. I insist that you stay longer. You can't leave that soon. We must at least dine together. Yang Shen, keep Auntie distracted here, okay? I'll see you later, Auntie.
Take care, Jin Shan. Bye.
Mom, why are you leaving so soon? Come sit down. You should relax. Have a seat.
Honestly, I just wanted to check on you. But now I see you're doing well, and your business is good. Oh, I feel relieved. But Lian is alone at home. I must go back.
No, Mom, you must listen to me this time. You've traveled so far, you can't possibly leave so soon. I just have a meeting at noon, but after that, I can spend time with you already. For now, I'll make you some noodles. And later, I'll buy stuff for my siblings, okay? So don't bother. I'll buy some clothes for you too.
Son, don't bother. We don't need anything at home.
Mom, let me take care of you, okay? I'll be right back.
Sweetie.
Yes.
You should talk more calmly and avoid arguing with people.
I know.
Remember, harmony breeds prosperity.
I got it. Look, we can get food and other stuff, huh? Anything you want me to get you?
All right. How about a pair of reading glasses?
You got it. Hey Wang, show me the best reading glasses that you have.
Sure, of course. Here you go.
Take your time. I'll pay for it. Hey, Dashun, come.
Yeah?
Help my mom buy some stuff.
Help what?
It's up to you. Get food, clothes, whatever. Just get her stuff.
Oh, okay.
Thanks. Go now. Hurry, hurry.
How much does this cost?
35.
That's expensive.
Mom, it's lovely. You look like a teacher.
You just love teasing me, don't you?
We'll take it. Please wrap it up and put it on my tab.
There's no need. It's just a small amount. Plus, you own the entire market.
Come on, that's different.
Hold on. This okay?
Yes.
Done.
Thank you.
Sure. You're
Thank
welcome.
you, Wang.
Yang Shen, Auntie, I bought you delicious food to take home.
But why did you get me so much stuff?
It's not a lot. Auntie, I still have work to do. I can't stay to see you off. Sorry.
No problem. Dashan, please look after my son.
Don't worry. Leave him to me.
Mom, I'm not a kid.
Goodbye, Auntie.
Bye, take care.
Yes, thanks.
Let's go, Mom.
We've arrived at Donghai Wholesale Market. Please be careful, ma'am.
Mom, sit here.
Right when you hop on.
I'll put the bags here.
Give some to
Please don't close it yet. I'm getting off. Mom, I'll see you again, okay?
Son, take care of yourself.
Mom, have you had your checkup?
I have. The doctor said I'm fine. He told me to return in 2 days.
Okay, when the results are out, let me know what the doctor says, okay?
Don't you worry.
Mom, take care and eat the food, okay? We can afford better things now. You don't have to be so frugal, okay?
Yes, son.
Always choose
Don't
healthier
worry
kinds of
about
food.
me. Take care of yourself.
Okay.
Hey.
Hello. You're so early.
I
Please
just
have a
arrived.
seat. What do you want to eat? Let me know. I know that when Brother Xiaolei treated us, you were busy and didn't get to eat much. I think I'll order scallops and beltfish. That okay?
We didn't get to enjoy the food.
I even had to eat noodles after. Excuse me, waiter?
I ordered for us already.
Oh, you did? What did you order?
It's my treat today. Just eat whatever you want.
Okay, you're the boss. I know the boss may feel obligated to treat her subordinates' food, but don't be so solemn about it.
You and I both agreed to be just friends. So please don't call me your boss.
Oh, yes, you're right. We are friends. Actually, we're good friends who help each other out. So now, come to think of it, I should treat you. Let me get the bill for this. My way of saying thanks for lending me the trademark.
Yang Shen, listen to me.
Let's not fight over this, because I'll continue insisting and it'll never end, okay? Just eat.
All right, then.
Good. Look at me. I almost forgot. Here's my homework. Please check it.
What is in this?
It's the hotel's feasibility report. I based the general analysis on Donghai's current situation with my own experience when I visited the hotels in Shanghai. Look, I used the materials you provided me as my format. However, there are some areas that I don't fully understand, and that's why I'm here. I'm hoping you can explain them. First is...
Yang Shen, I can't work with you on this.
I can be gullible at times, so please don't scare me like that.
I've looked into the capital needed to build and operate a 4-star hotel. The cost is not feasible for you. The risks involved are far too great, and there are many uncontrollable factors. Therefore, in my professional opinion, we should not pursue this business venture.
Money isn't an issue. I've reached out to the newly established state trust. They can grant me a loan based on the bank's interest rate. So money is not a problem. As a contingency, I can loan from some villagers. We're used to lending each other money in times of need. People trust me, because I'm credible, so I'm sure they'll help out.
That's what I'm worried about. Borrowing a large capital and having highly leveraged funds can lead to potential problems in the future.
Isn't business all about taking risks? Besides, the risks in this is nothing compared to Jinzhou in Northeast China,
I'm sorry,
so...
Yang Shen. I asked my cousin as well. He said that the process for registering a foreign company now is hard. The odds are against us. I really can't help you this time.
Hold on, isn't your cousin's father a high-ranking official? It'll be easy for him to... Sorry. I just, got anxious.
It's all right. I'm sorry, too. I really am, Yang Shen.
No, it's totally fine. You agreed before. Only because you were mad with Xiaolei, right?
What makes you say that?
Actually, it was obvious during the meal. When I walked in, you and Brother Xiaolei were talking about a joint venture. He asked me something and you butt in. And it was during your bickering that you proposed to cooperate on this project. I must admit, at the time I thought I was so lucky, like an offer just fell into my lap. But now I realize I was a fool to believe that.
The truth is, you're right. I was making excuses. I treated you to a meal because I was feeling guilty.
There's no need. Don't feel guilty too.
We might not have a contract, but we've already reached a verbal agreement. In business, maintaining good faith is important. And it's true that I broke my word today.
Your judgment was clouded then. Besides, you're actually correct. I'm just a small businessman. And I still have a lot of debts to take care of. I can't let you bear the risks with me.
I'm also trying to protect you. I could honor my word and lend you the trademark, but after that, what? It's just too risky for you to manage a high-end hotel.
Yes. Thank you for considering my welfare. Thanks.
Wait, didn't we agree that you'll pay me the full amount?
Just take this half for now, and I swear you'll get the other half soon, Wang. Thank you.
All right then, by next week. The drawing will be ready by next week. Come and collect it by then, okay?
Sure. Wang seemed decent, so I paid him half of the fee.
You already knew, didn't you?
Knew about what?
You already knew beforehand that she'd back away from it.
Yes, just recently. She called the morning before yesterday.
She did? Saturday night? Well, on Thursday night, she promised to lend me the trademark. Then she changed her mind in 2 days?
Did you really think I'd persuade Liang Sishen to play a fool of you again? I did not want to tell you this, but think about your mother. Keep her on your mind. Let her have the peace of mind that she deserves. Don't bite off more than you can chew.
Shun, I've locked the door, and I'll leave the key on the desk. Hey, what are you looking for?
I can't find the market registration documents and tax certificate, but they both should be in here.
They couldn't be lost. Just keep looking.
The Bureau will check them tomorrow. I remember storing them here myself.
No one's entered this room except you and Mr. Yang. Why don't you ask him?
Sure, you go to sleep. Hello?
Give him a bucket. Somebody, please help.
Xiaoyu, bring him up here, please.
Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. I'll clean it. I'm sorry. I'll clean it. I'll clean it. I'll do it. Let me do it.
May I borrow this? Thank you. So who are you drinking with? And why did they leave you alone in this state?
I'd like to take a rest.
Have some water.
I'm really fine. Dashun, you know that the state trust promised me a loan? The interest and handling fee are based on the bank's lowest rates. I should be able to receive the money next month.
Why do you need it? We've got enough for phases 2 and 3 of the market.
Do you know how happy my mom was when she heard I could set up a hotel? I don't need to ask my mom to borrow from me again. The state trust loaned me 7 million. With my own funds, it should be enough. I can do it without help from any of you. I've already picked the hotel location, the city center.
Yang Shuo, what exactly do you want to achieve, huh? Is all this for Liang Sishen? If it is, if you're doing this for her, can't you choose a better way to do it? I swear I'll help you. Just stop this madness, okay?
I'm not doing this for
Then who
her.
are you doing it for?
You won't understand.
Yeah, I really won't if you don't tell me.
Dignity. You get it?
You're being sarcastic like those rich brats.
Go home. I'll just...
I'm done with this.
I'll be right with you after my meeting.
You're making time for me despite being so busy, so I won't complain?
Well, I'm glad that you realized that. I decided to come right after you called me. I've delayed some state matters for you. Get in, you're ruining my mood. Hurry
Okay.
up.
Your temper really did get worse. Okay, let's go. Familiar, right? I feel most peaceful at a factory.
I'm not in this.
What do you mean? Hey. Transfer me to Donghai. It's good to be a worker.
Okay. You'll be working on shifts and sleeping in a dorm.
I can live with that. The happiest days of my life were all spent in a single dorm room.
That was because you met a good roommate like me.
Oh, come on. Since when have you spoken too highly of yourself, huh? I have a problem. I need your help.
Tell me.
Actually, it's not my problem. It's Yang Shuo.
What happened?
Your former student retracted her offer in lending him her company's trademark. I didn't come here to ask you to persuade Liang Sishen she should make her own decisions, and she only did what she thinks is best.
Carry on then.
Yang Shuo is now determined to set up a 4-star hotel. A few days ago, for the sake of a loan, he got so drunk that he ended up hospitalized. He's working day in and day out. I don't know. The guy's being a daredevil. He might hurt himself. He even boasted to the leader that he would be able to make proper arrangements for the textile workers.
The texture mill? That's in the city center. Is he buying the land?
He already bought the land. We don't know how much he spent because he won't say. At the rate that Yang Shuo is going, he might get into trouble.
You shouldn't always contradict him. As his partner, you should probably be more supportive.
I didn't want to contradict him. But Liang Sishen made her decision clear. Yang Shuo is courting death by trying to set up a 4-star hotel. He needs a significant amount of funds for this. Even if it's set up, we won't see any profit in the first years.
I assume you tried stopping him already. Has it worked?
Of course not. To be honest, I feel sorry for the guy. He got drunk and ended up at the hospital. No one was taking care of him. When I got to the hospital, he was still acting tough. But I heard him cry the moment I left him at the hallway. He came from a poor family, and I know he fears to be looked down upon by people again. That's why he wants to build this 4-star hotel to prove himself once more. I didn't come here to ask for your help to stop him. I was just thinking, you're the only one who can empathize with Yang Shuo.
If you ask me for my opinion about this, I can tell you frankly that I don't object to Yang Shuo's idea. From what I understand, the current economic situation favors the service industry's progress. The investment growth rate in 1992 hit a record high, but the tertiary industry didn't catch up. Fine, let's not talk about the general trend. Let's talk about Yang Shuo. I think it's wise to start a new project at this juncture.
Then why didn't you fund it when he went to you before?
I've already said my reason. Donghai shouldn't carry the burden of other industries.
What's wrong? Did I offend you? You suddenly looked troubled.
No, it's nothing. I was just thinking about what you said. Hey, Yang Shuo's really lucky to have you as his ally.
What, you think I enjoy it? I'm getting tired of him.
Okay, but what you said reminded me of things. Yang Shuo should focus on his main trade, so I think this idea makes sense. Not sure what motivates him to set up his hotel, My theory is that it has something to do with his trips to Shanghai before. He must have seen how Shanghai has advanced already, and realized that his hometown can still use some progress.
If that's what he thinks, then he doesn't respect his roots much.
I think Yang Shun is a very talented person. He can predict future economic trends. Shanghai is the core of Yangtze's delta. It influences the region's progress. Yang Shun aspires to make Donghai sophisticated like Shanghai, and that's a good thing. Yang Shun might not be an expert in managing a 4-star hotel, but come to think of it, if the funds and the land for that hotel were used to build a mall instead, like a foreign supermarket, I'm sure Yang Shun can handle that too. Don't you agree?
Hey. Hey. Let me treat you to drinks. Take it as a payment for all these consultations.
Oh my, I see you've learned a new word. Even no consultation. No thanks. It's getting late and I'm tired. Plus, I still got lots of work tomorrow. You know what? Why don't you drop by my dorm room, but behave. Come on.
Mr. Song.
Hi.
Oh, who is he?
Hey, Fang Ping.
Yes.
This is Shun Jiangshan. He's my best friend.
Oh,
Hello.
hello. So you're Shun Jiangshan. It's nice to finally meet you.
What do you mean by that?
Your dorm room. I became its new occupant when you left Jinshu.
Oh. So you knew I was his old roommate then. You know, I actually left to make room for you.
You know, when I moved in, I wanted to rearrange your things. Mr. Song almost fought with me.
He treats you better than me then. He always fought with me. Not almost.
All right, cut it out. Fang Ping, do you have any beer in here? Let's have a drink.
Beer? Wait, hold on.
Sure. Come on.
He seems to be a nice guy. I like him.
Ever since you left, Fang Ping's been my closest friend.
This room seems larger.
Yes, it's almost twice as large as our previous place.
It is twice as large. I could kick your butt when I was lying on the bed then.
Got the beer.
Wow. Okay. Oh, wow. He got us dried shrimp. This is really good.
Fang Ping,
Yeah?
sit with us, drink.
I saw Xiaoding on the way back here. He said that the power station output is a bit unstable. I'd like to check it first.
All right, go ahead.
Yeah. Dashun, drink slowly. When I come back, I'll offer you a toast.
Okay. He doesn't dare to drink with you, right?
Come on. I'm not that scary. You know how it gets in the factory. We have to deal with problems all the time.
Hey, Xiaolei. Why are you staying here anyway? Is there a problem? Are you going to stay here for a long time?
Yes, I'm not going home. Hey, Dashun. For the next couple of days, please check on my parents. Just help them.
Sure.
Thanks, brother.
Brother, if something is troubling you, you can tell me.
I'm tired.
You're tired. Now that I think about it, It's my fault. 1989, you came to Jinzhou from Beijing and looked for me at Yangji Street.
Yeah, that's right. It was raining.
You said you felt unhappy because Cheng and his family were bullying you, and I even advised you. I said you should accept your fate, because that's the life of technicians who aren't from Jinzhou. Now that I think about it, I was wrong.
You weren't wrong. People in Jinzhou do live in that manner.
So don't be like them. Whatever tied you to Jinzhou then should be gone by now. You've escaped from there already. You should have your own way of living. Don't let them chart your path. Set yourself free.
Like divorce? It did cross my mind. But if I do that, what about Xiaoyan? She's my daughter. When she goes back to Jinzhou, she may not have a normal life, and then she'll have to deal with all the gossip that surrounds her. Also, my parents are almost 70. They won't be able to accept it.
You know, you might look unyielding, but you're actually...
Actually what? Hypocrite.
Which of us is the hypocrite, huh? Now what?
I won't do it. I can still hang in there.
All right, till next time.
So your helmet.
Farewell. Take care of yourself. And the helmet's my souvenir.
You...